Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today we will be making spooky little bugs to go with your Halloween floral designs. To the returning viewers, thank you very much. To all the new viewers, welcome aboard. This is a cheap, easy project where all materials come from the Dollar Tree. The things you will need today are mini skeleton garland, a bag of small glitter spiders, a bag of maple leaves, a package of butterfly wings, and a bag of palm bones, otherwise known as small skeleton hands. We will be cutting a lot of plastic parts, so I would suggest using wire dikes or some form of heavy cutting shears. First things first, cut the loop off of the head of the skeleton, then pull the rib cage off, which is held on by 3 small studs on the spine. Now cut the spine about 1 inch from the skull. Then attach the spine to the back of the spider. Go ahead and grab 2 skeleton hands and 2 maple leaves, as long as they are the same leaf. Using your cutters, trim the fingers so the leaf is supported by the fingers and are not showing from the top. Now, glue your leaf to the hand. Do this for both sides. Then glue the wings to the back of the spider. To help it appear more bug-like, I drew lines like a bee on the butt of the spider with a permanent marker. This bug is now done, so let's move on to the next one. The orange one you see here is actually one I had done earlier. Remember, a lot of bugs look different, so don't be afraid to change it up. The next bug, I wanted a longer neck, aka a longer spine. Go on and cut off the 3 studs that held the rib cage and glue it to the spider. The heads on the skeletons were pretty loose, so using just a small dab of glue, I locked the head in place. These are cardboard and plastic wings, which have double-sided tape on one wing, and on the other side it's on the bottom. I removed it from the bottom and placed it on the wing that did not have it on it. Cut the antennas off the butterfly and save them, as we will be using them later. Glue the wings on. Now take the antennae and glue them back on top of the skull, and we are done with our second bug. The third and final bug is a fairy/bug mix, so on this one we want to cut off the skeleton's legs and and trim his hip bones to fit over the head of the spider. Most of these steps will be repeats with a few slight changes. What I'm doing here is cutting the fangs off of the spider, as I did not like how they looked. Here I'm just showing you that if you chose to, you could paint the bottom of the cardboard of the wing. This bug I wanted to have arms, so taking the arms that were cut at the elbow, glue them onto the spine. Okay, all my bugs are done. Now it's time to see how they look. If you liked this video, please check out some of my other content like the solar pumpkin trend for $5 or the light up candy pails from the Dollar Tree. As always, thank you for your time, and I'm grateful that you came and watched my video.